Going to be doing a video today on something I picked up that's rather interesting. They're chicken breast chips. And they're the sea salt and vinegar chips, but these are made out of 100% natural chicken breast and tapioca flour. It's made by the Wilde food company out in Boulder, Colorado. But they're made out of 100% chicken breast. Now, you're going to laugh, but I've never had anything like this before, so it's the first time. But it's basically all there is to it. It's the chicken used is 100% natural, raised without antibiotics, no added hormones, and vegetarian fed. Take a picture there of the ingredients if you want to pause that. It's kind of the lights reflecting on that. I'm not going to go through everything there, but all that's in it is natural chicken breast, tapioca flour, expeller pressed high oleic sunflower oil. I probably said that wrong. Maltodextrin, chicken broth, sea salt, vinegar, citric acid, natural flavor, and spices. It's Wilde Brands Incorporated out in Boulder, Colorado. Wilde Foods, but these are 100%. Let me take one out of the bag here. Use this skillet as the backdrop here so you can see what they look like. But whoops, I did eat some of them already, so there they are. I mean, a lot of them are a little bigger, but I picked these up at a surplus outlet down in Worcester, Ohio. They're actually really good. Said you're going to laugh, but I've never had a chicken chip until today. So there you have it. Pretty good stuff.